Hello everyone. Today my presentation is about a field visit to Lihini group of companies which has conducted as a part of the entrepreneurship module. So the main purpose of this visit was to connect entrepreneurial theories with the real world business practices. Lihini Group is a diversified Sri Lankan conglomerate which has a history of 25 years of experience operating in sectors such as seafood, coconut products, packaging, EPF, roof tiles, as well as hospitality. Throughout all its operations, the group strongly focuses on quality, sustainability, innovation, which has resulted the long-term client satisfaction and the steady growth of the organization. Lihini Group was founded in 1990 by Mr. Vincent Ernst Fernando, and his entrepreneurial leadership journey began by identifying clear market gaps, particularly in areas such as ice supply, packaging materials, and seafood exports. Rather than relying on an external supplier, he recognized opportunities that align with the market gaps at the moment, as well as the market demand and sustainability, while also using diversification as a strategy to reduce the business risk. This ability to observe problems and convert them into opportunities is a strong example of entrepreneurial opportunity recognition by the founders of the organization. Starting from the first one, so one key opportunity was established by the Lihini Group was ice factories. In the seafood industry, especially when it comes to prawns, a continuous ice supply is essential to maintain the quality of the product. Instead of depending on a third-party supplier, Lihini Group created its own ice factory. This reduced their dependency and improved the product quality and strengthened the supply chain efficiency of the organization. Another opportunity identified by the Lihini group of companies was the lack of proper packaging boxes when it comes to seafood exports. To solve this issue, Lihini Group introduced EPS and styrofoam packaging. This decision supported export operations, reduced cost, and ensure better supply chain control through the vertical integration. Lihini Polypack focuses on sustainable packaging solutions using PP and HDPE plastics, which are both are recycled as well as virgin. So the production process include crushing, washing, drying, pelletizing, and molding. They have used techniques such as blow molding, injection molding, and flexographic printing for the production process. A key sustainable highlight is that the company recycled nearly 70,000 kilograms of polythene, which can be reduced up to 10 times, significantly reducing the environmental impact of the polythene production. Then, Lihini Group also identified an opportunity in swordfish exports. While local demand was low, but the international demand was very high for the swordfish market. By targeting the export market, the value increased around 300 rupees per kg locally into nearly 2000 LKR per kg international market. This shows strong market intelligence and value creation of the Lihini group of companies. Then moving to the next slide, Lihini Nature Products handle coconut processing through both wet and dry sections. The wet section include deshelling, paring, hot treatment, while the dry section focus on virgin coconut oil extraction. Byproducts such as oil cake are converted into, the oil cake were converted into coconut flour, ensuring the minimal wastage of the production. Then packaging of the product is done using glass jars and vacuum cabins, meeting strict European food safety and hygiene standards. Let's move on to the feasibility of the organization. In terms of financial feasibility, bank loans were the main source of the capital in the organization. Significant investments were made in machinery and automation, enabling the company to produce approximately 5,000 units per day while reducing long-term operational cost. Talking about the human and operational resource feasibility, Lihini Group expanded its workforce from 25 members to 250 employees nearly by the present. Then seafood operations are more labor intensive type, and while coconut packaging operations, the polythenes are highly mechanized. So the challenges which comes to these human resource related issues were managed through outsourcing and gradually scaling, ensuring the smooth growth of the organization. Let's talk about the innovation at Lihini Group of Companies. So innovation plays a major role at Lihini Group. A notable project is the fish sausage development carried out in collaboration with the Wayamba University of Sri Lanka over 3 years of period. The group also uses ERP system, smart monitoring and quality analysis for mercury especially. Then vertical integration across ice, packaging and polythene further strengthens the innovation of the Lihini Group of companies. Let's talk about the competitive advantage of the organizations. The competitive advantage of the Lihini Groups comes from its strict quality control, cost reduction and sustainability practices. Compliance with Europe and USA standard, along with continuous product and process innovation, helps the companies to stand out in the present competitive market. This is Mr. Malinta Fernando and Mr. Dilanta Fernando, Board of Directors of Lihini Group of Companies. They demonstrate strong entrepreneurial leadership. Their decision making is analytical, not rather than being emotional. And they are willing to take calculated risk even in unfamiliar industries as well. Despite recent challenges such as COVID-19, the business showed resilience through effective delegation as well as leadership. So one failed venture was the steel business by the Lihini Group of companies, which did not succeed due to the poor timing and lack of experience by the administration. The key lessons shared was gain practical experience before starting, conduct thorough market research before starting, and align timing, resourcing, and capabilities of the organization. The advice to aspiring entrepreneurs is to learn, observe and plan carefully before launching a new venture into this competitive market. Today, Lihini Group exports up to 13 countries, including Italy, Japan, and Maldives mainly. And also the diversification across multiple industries helps them to reduce the overall business risk and ensure the long-term sustainability of the organization. So from this field visit, we learned the importance of identifying opportunities or the recognizing opportunities, innovation and adaptability. It highlights how practical experience can be implemented into the real world business practices, also technological adaptation and sustainability. They plays a crucial role in entrepreneurial success. In conclusion, Lihini Group demonstrate how strategic growth, resilience, and innovation drive successful entrepreneurship. So this field visit strongly reinforced the connection between theory and real-world business practices. So these are the references we have got through our field visit. And thank you for your time. I'm Shanara Kumara Singha.